Thank you for buying this baking pan from Fixture Displays. The part number is 10164. It measures 18 inches long and 13 inches deep, and the height is 1 inch. This is a premium baking pan that is made from 1 millimeter thick aluminum. The grade of aluminum is 1060. It comes with a blue plastic film for protection. You can peel that off before use. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. This baking pan works with our baking pan rack model number 10163 perfectly, that you can put 2 of those in there. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services for home and businesses. Please like us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review.